You are ready to apply your SnakeSeal protective coating on your prepared concrete surface. Remove the tear-off safety strap from the lid and check that the product looks good for use. Work with protective wear to prevent staining your clothes, hands, and wear protective glasses for your eyes. At this stage, add your colorant if you are coloring the product yourself. Use a drill mixer to thoroughly mix the product before use. Be sure to mix thoroughly from top to bottom, rubbing along the sides of the container. If you are adding colorant, make sure the color is completely uniform. Rinse your drill mixer immediately. You can prepare a small container for your touch-ups and paintbrush work. It is recommended to have a paintbrush to complete your application detailings alongside the walls, railings, and drains. Make sure you always keep the lid closed when possible to prevent it from drying in the pail. The priming coat is a very thin SnakeSeal layer to help the subsequent coats adhere better. Pour the SnakeSeal directly on the floor from the pail, forming small puddles in a line. Start with a small squeegee or a brush to detail the coating layer around the wall. Make sure to keep this priming coat very thin. It is not meant to be opaque or to build up any product. With a larger squeegee, start to spread the coating on the surface in straight lines and passing through your puddles. Keep the layer thin, as this is only the priming coat. It should be just enough to form a slim film and fill the small holes of the concrete surface to help seal it. If you are doing large surfaces, a larger squeegee helps to get the job done faster. A single blade, foam or rubber squeegee is recommended. If you have two blades on your squeegee, try removing or cutting one off for a more even spread on the surface. Now, complete your priming coat over all the surface and let it dry. Ready for your next coat? Use the same technique to pour SnakeSeal on the floor. For this thicker coat, you can use a roller or a squeegee to spread the product. Just with the weight of the tool, spread SnakeSeal on the surface to even it out. Don't forget to contour the walls with your paintbrush. You will need a roller to finish each pass and leave a perfect finish. Roll in the other direction to even the coating as much as possible. You should roll this way every 4 to 5 lines before it becomes too tacky. Continue pouring and progressing across the surface from left to right. Then every 4 to 5 lines, roll in the opposite direction to level the product. Complete your first coat of maximum 10 wet mils and let it dry completely for a few hours. Once it is dry, you can repeat the steps for your second and final coat.